Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Analytics. To use ChatGPT for Chatbot Analytics, you can follow these steps. First is define analytic goals. Determine specific objectives you want to achieve through Chatbot Analytics, such as understanding user behavior, improving user satisfaction, or optimizing chatbot performance. Next is collect relevant data. Implement tracking mechanisms in your chatbot to capture data on user interactions, timestamps, user inputs, and chatbot responses. Collect the necessary data points to analyze and gain insights. Next is choose analytics tools. Select suitable analytic tools or platforms to process and analyze the collected data. Consider factors like features, ease of integration, and scalability when selecting the tools for your chatbot analytics. Next is analyze user behavior. Utilize the collected data to analyze user behavior patterns, user flows, and user satisfaction levels. Identify trends, bottlenecks, or areas for improvement by segmenting users and examining their interactions with the chatbot. Last is iterate and optimize. Based on the insights gained, iterate and optimize your chatbot. Make enhancement to improve responses, user experience, or address any unidentified issues. Continuously refine the chatbot based on analytics findings to meet your objectives and provide an improved user experience. Remember, while these steps provide a simplified overview, the process of chatbot analytics may involve additional complexities depending on your specific requirements and the tools you choose to use. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!